Hi guys, my name is Akshay and I am a manifestation coach. All my contact info is in the description. Today I'm going to narrate a success story about how to get what you want. Now, when you don't get what you want, the first thing that people do is they begin to harbor a lot of bitterness and resentment towards the circumstance. For example, if you want something and somebody is not giving it to you, then your first instinct is to fight with them, argue with them, to be very bitter and bitch about them behind their back and try to coerce them, force them into giving you what you want, right? And this can work in certain situations, but that's not the way to create consciously. So I'm going to narrate the success story of a woman who came to learn from me, and life has been hard on her for the past year or so, okay? And so she's taking baby steps in manifestation. Okay, so this woman was invited to a project, work related, in the Middle East, in the UAE to be specific. Okay, and when she spoke to her boss about it, the boss said that, oh no, you can't go. Okay, and gave some stupid excuse that we have very little time to prepare for this project, and even if you go, you will just have to arrive there in the morning and depart in the evening, so there's no point going. Okay, and this woman became very angry because her boss refused to let her go. Okay, and in her particular circumstance, in her particular life, this traveling abroad, okay, has a very significant meaning. Okay, so she was very angry and very resentful towards her boss for a few hours. So she reacted, and then she began to bring her mind back on track. Okay, so what she did was, she decided within herself, she didn't argue or fight with the boss. She went within and decided that from today, my boss is going to treat me with a lot of respect and dignity. Okay? And what happened was, a couple days passed and they got news that the project timeline had been postponed. So the project is going to be held a couple of months later than was originally planned. So now they have time to prepare for the project, okay, for the event. And so this person, the woman in question, the one I'm narrating the story about, can go to the project, okay, but since her boss had said no, she didn't try to talk it out with her one more time. What she did instead was, she visualized herself being invited to her boss's cabin, and the boss telling her that yes, you should go for the project, and I think it would be a good idea actually. Okay, and so she was like, but she already, a part of her mind was like, but logically she already said no, so how can she say yes? Okay, so what she did was, again, she went within and imagined a few times, and once she felt the satisfaction of it, she let it go and got busy with work. Okay, and in the evening, the boss invited her to the cabin and told her that yes, she, and in fact not just she but a couple other people should go, because it's a week-long event, and that they should plan it out among themselves how they are going to cover it and stuff, and discussed little details about the project. Okay, so what and this girl obviously is very happy. This woman is very, very happy. What we learn is that when you want something, your first instinct is to argue. Okay, is to argue. And it's okay to make a case for yourself professionally, that's all right. But arguing, fighting, reacting to getting triggered by your circumstances is not the way. She went within, imagined what she want until she felt the satisfaction of it, and then She detached from the problem and attached to the end result. This is your motto from today. Detach from the problem, take your attention away from the problem and imagine and enjoy the solution attached to the solution. What is the solution? Boss giving permission. What is the problem? Boss not giving permission. So attached to the solution. I hope you derived some value from this video. And that you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please hit like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. Unleash the power within you. And remember that if I said it, I already did it. Thank you.